to yet another episode of Ayur Samveda. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev, Assistant Professor, Department of Samhita and Siddhanta. Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. In the last video, we have seen few shlokas of Ayushkami Adhyaya. Today, we will continue with the rest of the shlokas. Rogabheda Nijagantu vibhagena tatra roga dvitha smrita. The padas are Nija Agantu vibhagena tatra roga dvitha smrita. Again, Nija Agantu vibhagena tatra roga dvitha smritaha. The two kinds of rogas are Nija and Agantu. Roga adhishtana Tesham kaya manobhedat adhishtanam dvitha. The padas are Tesham kaya manobheda adhishtanam dvitha. Again, Tesham kaya manobhedat adhishtanam dvitha. The two seeds of diseases or roga adhishtana are kaya body and mana mind. Manodosha Rajastamascha manaso dvaucha dosha udahrato. The padas are Rajaha, Tamaha, cha, manaso, dvau, cha, dosha udahrato. Again, Rajaha, Tamaha, cha, manaso, dvau, cha, dosha udahrato. The two kinds of manodosha are Rajas and Tamas. Rogi pariksha Darshana sparshana prashnehi pariksheta cha roginam. The padas are Darshana, Sparshana, Prashnehi, Pariksheta cha roginam. Again, Darshana, Sparshana, Prashnehi, Pariksheta cha roginam. How to examine a patient is being mentioned. That is first by Darshana or inspection, Sparshana by palpation, and by Prashna interrogation. Roga Pariksha Rogam Nidana Pragrupa Lakshanopashaya Aptibihi. The padas are Rogam, Nidana, Pragrupa, Lakshana, Upashaya, Aptibihi. Again, Rogam, Nidana, Pragrupa, Lakshana, Upashaya, Aptibihi. The disease has to be examined based on Nidana, the causative factors, Pragrupa or Purvarupa, the predominant or premonitory signs and symptoms, Lakshana, the signs and symptoms, Upashaya or Anupashaya and Upashaya, aggravating and relieving factors, and Apti or Samprapti, pathogenesis. Desha Bhumi Deha Prabhetena Deshamahuriha Dvitha Jangalam Vadabhuishtam Anupam tu Kapolbanam Sadharanam Samamalam Trida Bhudesham Adished. The padas are Bhumi Deha Prabhetena Desham Ahuriha Dvitha Jangalam Vadabhuishtam Anupam tu Kapolbanam Sadharanam Samamalam Trida Bhudesham Adished. Again, Bhumi Deha Prabhedena Desham Ahuriha Dvitha Jankalam Vadabhuishtam Anupam tu Kapolbanam Sadharanam Samamalam Tridha Bhu Desham Adished. There are two kinds of Desha, that is Bhumi Desha and Deha Desha. Bhumi Desha is again classified into three, that is Jankala Desha, which is predominant of Vata or Vayu, and Anupadesha, which is predominant of Kapha, and Sadharana Desha, which is composed of three doshas. Kala Kshanadhir Vyadhyavastha cha Kalo Bheshaja Yogakrit. The padas are Kshanadi Vyadhi Avastha cha Kalo Bheshaja Yogakrit. Kshanadi Vyadhi Avastha cha Kalo Bheshaja Yogakrit. The time or kala for the administration of medicines are mainly considered as two, that is Kshanadi or the time which we are following now, and Vyadhyavastha, that is the stage of diseases. Aushadha Shodhanam Shamanam Chedi Samasad Aushatham Dvitha. The padas are Shodhanam Shamanam cha iti Samasad Aushatham Dvitha. Again, Shodhanam Shamanam cha iti Samasad Aushatham Dvitha. The two kinds of medicines or the treatment are Shodhana and Shamana. Again, Aushadha शरीरजानां दोषाणां क्रमेण परमौषधं बस्तिः विवेको वमनं तथा तैलं घृतं मधुः धीधैर्यात्मादिविज्ञानं मनोदोषौषधं परम्. The padas are शरीरजानां दोषाणां क्रमेण परम औषधं बस्तिः विरेको वमनं तथा तैलं घृतं मधुः धैर्य आत्मादिविज्ञानं मनोदोष औषधं परम्. Again, शरीरजानां दोषाणां क्रमेण परम औषधं बस्तिः विरेको वमनं तथा तैल घृतं मधुः धैर्य आत्मादिविज्ञानं मनोदोष औषधं परम्. The best shodhana and shamana aushadas for the three doshas are basti and taila for vata dosha, virechana and kridam for pitta dosha, vamana and madhu for kapha dosha. For manodosha, the parama aushadha are dhairya and atmadi vijnana. Pada chatushtaya or chikilsa chatushpada भिषग्द्रव्याणि उपस्थाता रोगी पादचतुष्टयं चिकित्सितस्य निर्दिष्टं प्रत्येकं तच्छतुर्गुणं. The padas are भिषग् द्रव्याणि उपस्थाता रोगी पादचतुष्टयं चिकित्सितस्य निर्दिष्टं प्रत्येकं तत् चतुर्गुणम्. Again, भिषग् द्रव्याणि उपस्थाता रोगी पादचतुष्टयं चिकित्सितस्य निर्दिष्टं प्रत्येकं तत् चतुर्गुणम्. The Pada Chatushtaya or the four pillars of treatment are Bhishak or the physician, Dravya, the medicines, Upasthada, the attender, and Rogi, the patient. Each of these four are having four qualities each. The properties are Dakshas Tirthatha Shastrartho Drishtakarma Shujir Bhishak Bahukalpam Bahugunam Sambannam Yogyam Aushadam Anuraktaha Shujir Daksho Buddhiman Paricharakaha Adhyo Rogi Bhishakvashyo Jnapakaha Sattvavan Api. The padas are Daksha Tirthatha Shastrartho Drishtakarma Shujihi Bhishak Bahukalpam Bahugunam Sambannam Yogyam Aushadam Anuraktaha Shujihi Daksho Buddhiman Paricharakah Adhyo Rogi Bhishakvashyo Jnapakaha Sattvavan Api. Again, Daksha Tirthatha Shastrartho Drishtakarma Shujihi Bhishak Bahukalpam Bahugunam Sambannam Yogyam Aushadam Anuraktaha Shujihi Daksho Buddhiman Paricharakah Adhyo Rogi Bhishakvashyo Jnapakaha Sattvavan Api. The properties of Bhishak are Daksha, he should be trained, Tirthatha Shastrartho, he should be well equipped with all the theories, Drishtakarma, having experiences or practical experiences, Shujihi, cleanliness. Then for the Aushadha, Bahukalpam, applicability of different pharmaceutical modes or dosages, Bahugunam, having all the qualities, Sambannam, easily available, and Yogyam, easily applicable or administrable to the patient. The properties of Paricharaka or the attender, Anuraktaha, he should be attending or lovable, Shujihi, cleanliness, Daksha, having the intelligence or the theory or knowledgeable, and Buddhiman, intellect. And finally, the Rogi properties are Adhya, he should be able to access all the medications or the treatments, Bhishakvashyo, obedient to the physician, Jnapakaha, easy communicative, and Sattvavan, that is courageous. Roga Bheda, Sadhyo Asadhya iti Vyathir Tau tu Punardvidha, Susadhyaha Krishra Sadhyascha Yapyo Yascha Anupakramaha. The padas are Sadhyo Asadhya iti Vyadhihi Dvidha Tau tu Punaha Dvidha Susadhyaha Krishra Sadhyaha cha Yapyo Yaha cha Anupakramaha. Again, Sadhyo Asadhya iti Vyadhihi Dvidha Tau tu Punaha Dvidha Susadhyaha Krishra Sadhyaha cha Yapyo Yaha cha Anupakramaha. Mainly, the rogas are classified into two, that is Sadhya and Asadhya. Sadhya Vyadhis are again classified into Susadhya and Krishra Sadhya, and Asadhya Vyadhis are classified into Yapya and Anupakrama. Sukha Sadhya Vyadhis Sarvaushadha Kshame Dehe Yunaha Pumso Jidatmanaha अमर्मको अल्पहेत्वग्ररूप रूपो अनुपद्रवः अतुल्यदूष्यदेश ऋतुप्रकृतिः पादसम्पदि ग्रहेषु अनुगुणेषु एकदोषमार्गो नवः सुखः. The padas are sarvaushadakshame dehe yunah pumso jidatmanah अमर्मको अल्प हेतु अग्ररूप रूप अनुपद्रवः अतुल्य दूष्य देश ऋतु प्रकृतिः पादसम्पदि ग्रहेषु अनुगुणेषु एकदोष मार्गो नवः सुखः. Again, सर्वौषध क्षमे देहे यूनः पुंसो जिदात्मनः अमर्मको अल्प हेतु अग्ररूप रूप अनुपद्रवः अतुल्य दूष्य देश ऋतु प्रकृतिः पादसम्पदि ग्रहेषु अनुगुणेषु एकदोष मार्गो नवः सुखः. The person should be able to tolerate all the medications or treatments, and he should be a male of young age and having the control over his senses, and the disease should not be affecting on the marma pradesha. The hetu agrarupa or purvarupa and rupa should be alpa or minimal and without complications, and the dushya desha ritu and prakriti should be atulya or opposite or not similar with that of dosha, and the pada sampadi or the all Chitulsa Chadushpada should be available, and favorable graha and ekadosha involvement and ekamarga involvement and acute onset are considered as sukha sadhya vyadhis. Kritra sadhya shastradi sadhanah kritrah sankare cha tado gataha. The padas are shastradi sadhanah kritrah sankare cha tado gataha. Again, shastradi sadhanah kritrah sankare cha tado gataha. The diseases which can be treated or cured with shastradi or surgical interventions are called as kritra sadhya. Yapya sheshatvad ayusho yapyah patyabhyasad viparye. The padas are sheshatvad ayusho yapyah pathya abhyasad viparye. Again, sheshatvad ayusho yapyah pathya abhyasad viparye. The person who for the rest of his life has to continue the pathya abhyasa for continuing the life, that is considered as yapya roga. Anupakrama eva syat sthito atyanta viparye outsukya moharadikrit drishtarishto akshanashanaha. The padas are anupakrama eva syat sthito atyanta viparye outsukya moha aradikrit दृष्टरिष्टो अक्षनाशनः. Again, अनुपक्रम एव स्यात् स्थितो अत्यंत विपर्यये औत्सुक्य मोह अरतिकृत दृष्टरिष्टो अक्षनाशनः. The disease in which the properties are opposite to that of sukhasadhi vyadhis and which causes outsukya, moha, aradi, etc. mental problems, and the arishta lakshanas are seen and the debility of the indriyas are seen. Such persons should be considered as anupakrama. Tyajedartha rogi त्यजेदार्थम विषक्भूपेर्द्विष्टं तेषां द्विषं हीनोपकरणं व्यग्रमभिधेयं गतायुषं चण्डं शोकातुरं भीरुं कृतघ्नं वैद्यमानिनं. The padas are त्यजेदार्थम विषक्भूपेर्द्विष्टं तेषां द्विषं हीन उपकरणं व्यग्रम अविधेयं गतायुषं चण्डं शोकातुरं भीरुं कृतघ्नं वैद्यमानिनं. Again, त्यजेदार्थम भिषक् भूपेहि द्विष्टं तेषां द्विषं हीन उपकरणं व्यग्रम अविधेयं गदायुषं चण्डं शोकातुरं भीरुं कृतघ्नं वैद्यमानिनं. The persons who should not be given treatment are those who are having enmity with the physician or the bhupa or nripa, and who considers himself as enemy, or who is not capable of accessing the medications, who is not ready for the treatment, or who is not obedient to the physician, whose arishta lakshanas are seen, and who is always worrying or having fear in him, or who is ungrateful and who considers themselves as vaidya or the physician, such persons should not be treated. Tatra asya param chado vakshade adhyaya sangraha The padas are tatra asya param cha ado vakshate adhyaya sangraha. Here from the adhyayas or the chapters of the Ashtanga Hridaya is being mentioned. The Sutrasthana Adhyayas. Ayush Kama Dina Ritu Iha Rogan Utpadana Dravaha Anna Jnana Anna Samraksha Matra Dravya Rasashrayaha Doshadi Jnana Tadbhave Chigilsya Upakramaha Shuddhyadi Snehasveda Reka Asthapana Nadanam Dhuma Gandusha Drik Seka Tripti Yendraga Shastrakam Siravidhi Shalyavidhi Shastra Kshara Agnikarmiki Sutrasthanam ime adhyaya trimshat. The chapters of Sharirasthana. Sharira muchyade Garbhavakrandi Tadvyapat Anga Marma Vibhagikam Vikriti Dudajam Shashtam. Nidanasthana chapters. Nidanam Sarvarogikam Jwara Asrak Shwasa Yakshmadi Madadhyadi Arsha Atisarinam Mutrakhada Pramehanam Vidradyadi Udarasya cha Pandu Kushta Analartana Vata Asrasya cha Shodasha. The chapters of Chigilsidasthana. Chigilsidam Jware Rakte Kase Shwase cha Yakshmani Vamau Madatiye Arshasu Vishe Dvau cha Mutride Vidradau Gulma Jathara Pandu Shofa Visarpishu Kushta Shvitra Anila Vyathi Vatasveshu Chigilsidam Dvavimshadiramu Adhyayaha. Kalpasiddhisthana chapters. Kalpasiddhiradaha param kalpo gamer virekasya tad siddhir basti kalpana siddhir bastyapadam shashto dravya kalpaha. The chapters of Uttarasthana. Ada Uttaram Balopachare tadvyadhau tadgrehe dvau cha bhutake unmade adha smriti phramsho dvau vatmasu santhishu drik tamolinkanasheshu trayo dvau cha sarvake. Karnanasa mukha shirovrane bhange bhagantare grandhyado kshudrarogeshu guhyarogo prithagdvayam vishe bhujanke kideshu mushakeshu rasayane chatvarimsho anapatyanam adhyayo bijaposhanaha. Idi adhyaya shadam vimsham shadbhihi sthane udititam. Idi Shri Vaidyapadi Simhagupta Suna Vaghada Virachitayam Ashtanga Hridaya Samhitayam Sutrasthane Ayushkamiyo Nama Prathamodhyayaha. Here the total chapters of Ashtanga Hridaya has been mentioned, and by this the first chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana Ayushkamiya Adhyaya ending. Thank you. Today we have discussed a few shlokas from Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana first chapter. In the upcoming videos we will continue with the same. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous information in Samhita. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.